Bambu Lab has unveiled the flagship X2D 3D printer. The main innovation is a dual extruder system with hybrid filament feed. This allows printing with two materials simultaneously without wasting time on filament changes. The X2D is based on a hybrid plastic supply system. The left Houghton uses a classic direct feed design. The extruder is located close to the nozzle, so the filament travels a minimal distance and is extruded with high precision and minimal delay. The right Houghton uses an auxiliary extrusion system. Here, the extruder is placed on the back panel, and the filament travels through a PTFE tube. This design is ideal for auxiliary materials such as supports. By separating main and support materials, the printer avoids wasting time and filament on purging. A mechanical switching system handles transitions between hot ends, reducing vibrations during high-speed printing. However, the assisted extrusion system has limitations. Due to the longer filament path, the material becomes slightly elastic under pressure. This affects response time during retraction. For this reason, the auxiliary nozzle speed is limited to 200 millimeters per second, with acceleration up to 1,000 millimeters per second squared. The X2D offers a print volume of 256 by 256 by 260 millimeters. When using the auxiliary Houghton, the build area is slightly reduced. The print chamber is actively heated up to 65 degrees Celsius, and the nozzle temperature can reach 300 degrees. Like the video and subscribe for more engineering and tech content, and more than 30 sensors to monitor the printing process. The printer also features intelligent functions such as dynamic flow calibration. This system checks the condition of the extruder's hot end and filament before each print and automatically adjusts parameters. The price of the X2D starts at $700. The combo version with AMS costs $950. Like the video and subscribe for more engineering and tech content.